we will have very quick, short, brief theme updates. And the first theme presentation is by Daniel Varro, who together with Christian Sandal is running theme number 1. Here you go.
So hi everyone, let me do a quick teaser for what has been happening in theme 1. And this teaser is focused around the different posters that you would find all around in the lobby. So theme 1 consists of quite a couple of projects. Project number 6 is maybe the exception in the sense that we don't have a poster outside. Nevertheless, this is a joint work with Daniel Stoll and Torvald Mortensen related to test environments, easy to use. So in complex systems, the usability of test environments is quite much of a challenge. And this project investigates how to describe those test environments for different types of testing, how to identify enablers for such test environments, easy to use, and arrange them in more successful in a cross-company workshop. This is what project number 6 has been about. Project number 16 is towards a sustainable future, which is an activity in CODIG, in the new CODIG project, which is centered around like sustainability, various sustainability aspects. In that project, sustainability workshops have been organized and also investigating the conformance to various regulations and standards. And Barbara will have a poster outside related to Project 60. Project 61 is related to continuous quality assurance of AI and ML software, which is a cooperation between WASP and Linköping University, consisting of 3 sub-projects related to continuous static analysis or semi-static analysis for machine learning programs. Iran is having a poster outside. Continuous testing of machine learning components. Please look around for Shin's poster again outside. And the third project has started as, I think, the first CODIG PhD student. Master Sadr is starting in early October on the topic of using generative machine learning techniques and focusing on their quality assurance for multidisciplinary simulations. So 2 posters outside related to Project 61. As a further continuation, there are associated projects, WASP-associated projects. Willem Meyer is working on continuous quality assurance methods for engineering machine learning software. You find Willem's poster outside. Jose Antonio Hernandez Lopez has had a recent work on inter-datasets, code duplication, and data leakage in LLMs. There's no poster, but you find a freshly published TSE paper from him. And then I'll quickly go to Project 62, which is AI-enabled test automation, generation, and optimization. And Gregory Gay has been reporting yesterday about multiple activities, but also you find his poster around using generative AI for various testing activities, including unit test generation, automating test maintenance, generating like human-like test cases, or also generation of various static analysis checks, all this by generative AI. So feel free to look around, find Greg's poster. And then last but not least, Project 63 is about trustworthy and human-centered test automation, which has been a spin-off of Project 60 in Software Center. In this activity investigates various cognitive and human factors in order to improve test automation. So activities are centered around human-centered automated test generation or human-centered test result visualization. It also includes various challenges or ethical challenges in test automation, as well as investigating various synergies between human and automated test creation. And again, you find a poster from Edward Paul, NOU outside in the poster session. I think with that, I wish to wish some Merry Christmas.